Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video we are going to show you how you can create an interactive website by using Ghost website builder. So ghost.org is the official site for Ghost, an open source platform made for blogging, newsletters, membership sites, and it's a fast, lightweight and modern alternative to WordPress, built mainly for writers, content creators and publishers. You can either download Ghost for free and host it yourself, or you can pay for Ghost Pro, where they host the manage everything for you. Ghost focus on the content, speed, SEO and built-in membership. No extra plugin needed. So let's see how we can use Ghost website builder. So first you just need to click on get started for free. So you can simply click on it. Now from here you have to enter your name here. So I'm going to enter my name. And you have to enter your email address here, then the password. Set a password, like a strong password for yourself. So I'm going to select a password. So I have saved this password here. So like this actually asking for me for choosing a strong password here. Not enough, and we have to create a more strong password here. So like yes, it look like perfect here. So I'm going to add a publication name here. So publication name, you can add anything, so you can change it anytime. So now simply click on continue. Now it is asking for the card details for the verification method. Actually you don't need to worry about that. It won't charge you any even a single penny before your trial. So you will go on a free trial after adding that card, but the main purpose is for adding the card is the verification method, that it can verify you with your details. So you have to add your credit card or debit card. So I'm going to add my card. As you can see, it is now creating our site here. So here is we are on the dashboard. So here we just start the Ghost publication. Now we have to customize our design, so it will guide you through these simple 5 steps. So one step is opening the Ghost publication account. Then the first step to make ready your web page or website. So customize your design. So I'm going to customize it. Simply click on it. Now from here you can find the brand here. So you can find this web page here. So you can customize it, or you can get some theme from here. You can select the theme settings here like this. You can choose the theme. So side wide, logo in the middle, logo on the left, or stack, or you can side background color. You can choose the background color here. It can be black or white. And the header and footer color, here it is the header and this is actually the footer. So you can choose the header and footer color. So I remain it white color. Now sign up heading, so you can select the sign up heading like used in your footer across your theme. Defaults to site titles when empty. So this is actually site title. So this is for the default that actually take my name here. So we have just added that this name and in the publication. So that's why it has just added my name in this web page name here. Now here is home page. So landing page, this could be a landing page. So you can set up your theme. Now from this brand here, so you can select the color and the accent color. So button will be colored in this neon color, like this rose color, like I think I don't know this name of this color here, like pinkish color, like deep dark pink actually, sorry for that. And from here you can find that publication icon. So you can upload an icon. What is icon? Icon is a logo of your web page. So you can add a logo here if you have so, and then here is sorry, that this is actually social icon, and this is actually the logo, the publication logo. So you can upload a logo to appear it on your header and every section where your website name is cited. Now publication cover, this is actually the cover, this is actually a gradient card background, so you can change the background here. So I'm going to change it, or you can edit it by this pencil icon here. You can simply click on the pencil icon to edit this section here. So I'm going to you can delete this cover here, and you can upload a new cover photo if you have so. Now here is the typography. So from here you can find different types of font so that you can use. So you can select that font here, or you can select this font. So you can see that it is changing according to the font here. So you can change it like this. More fonts are available actually, so you can choose one of them that actually suits your web page and your ideas. So this actually pretty much different types of so much choices here, so you can choose any of these from here. So just like this, so you can choose from here. So body font here, so body font means these fonts that actually heading 3 or 4 fonts here. So you can find that and you can select this font also. It will change that font from this also here. That's like this. You can see it has just changed here. So this is actually the body font here. So just like this, you can simply click on save button here. So it will save your web page. Here you can see it is saved here. So I'm going to close it. Now we have just customized our design here. Then explore the editor. So we can explore the editor here. So we can create a post here. So post title is welcome. I just add a post here, for example. Now, so I have added a post here, welcome passes message here. So I'm going to publish it, or I can see the preview here. So you can see I have just added a post here, the welcome post that actually posted as my profile here with the time and actually the date here. So with the context on that post here. So I'm going to publish it, or I'm going to simply click on this publish button here. So publish that post here. So we have just published that post, and it is actually an error. That's why we're going to add this explore the editor. So we have explored the editor here, or we can build an audience and we can share our publication. So from here we can simply click on view site, so we can visit our site from here. So this is actually my site. So there's a lot more to edit and customize our web page here. So you can simply then from here you can find explore. You can explore for more integration and more some plugins and some applications that can help you to improve your web page. Or here you can see different types of groups that like music production tutorials, and you can get some tutorials and some instructions from here from the experts. So the Data Phoenix here, the Data Phoenix is your best friend in learning and growing in the data world. We publish digest and organize events and help expand the frontiers of your knowledge in ML, CV, NLP, and other aspects of AI. So this will help you to learn the machine language, so where you can find different types of details about the AI. So you can create AIs and you can interact with AI in AI world. Now here is a post. So if you want to create a post, then you can simply click on this post button here to publish a post on your publication. Now here is the draft. It will show you all the draft posters that you have not published yet, but you have created. So you can publish it anytime. Here is scheduled, so you can schedule any post in a certain time you want. So, and you can find the publish section where you can find the published post that you have just posted on your web page. So it will listed all posts that are actually published and actually online on your publication here. Then the pages, so you can get at the overview about your pages. So right now I have only one page here, so you can simply click create a new page here by click on this new page button here. So it will allow you to create a new page. So here is the page title, like vlogs. Yes, you can write your post, so you can write your post here, or you can publish your page here. So continue to final review. So publish page right now, so you can publish it. So here it is. So we have just boom, it's out there. So we have just published a page here. So that's how you can just update a page here. So create a page here. Here is tags, so you can add some tags here, and the members that your community have. So you can get the members overview, the audience overview that are currently on your website, or get subscribed by on your website to get update from your website. So you can find all these members details. So this is actually where you can get the overview of the revenue and the public, the audience that you have right now. Now here is the Ghost Pro, so you can find the plans here. So right now I'm on the free trial, and my free trial, everyone will get the 30 days free trials, the trial, and then it will ask for these premium plans from here. So that's pretty much all thing. So you can also change the theme color from here if you want. So there is verification method here. So there is actually the profile here. So you can go to your profile, and from here you can change your email address or change your password by simply click on this change button here. You can set the role, and you can change the full name here. You can change the flag here. So, and you can also add some location, bio to your profile, and this is actually staff access token. So you can share your profile with someone if you want. So here is a photo that you can simply click on it to upload a display photo or upload a cover photo here. So you can customize your profile from here, or otherwise let me show you. Not from here. Yes, this here is social links. So you can add your social media links from here one by one. There's different types of social media available here. So here you can see the email notifications. So you can enable or disable email notification for comments, recommendation, new sign-ups, new paid members call cancellations, milestones, and etc. So like this, I'm going to get it. Like here is like title and description. So you can add your publication title and publication description here. Make sure you have added interesting and interactive title and the description here. Now you can select your time zone from here according to your location. You can change the language. You can add some metadata that will pop up on the Google search engine result page. And here is Facebook card. You can you can create Facebook card or X card, or that's been Twitter card actually. Then pretty much all things here. You can also change the theme from here in this theme section. You can find this, change the theme. You can change the themes from here. Now the navigation section, where you can change the navigation section on your actually the primary menu on your web page or the publication. Then announcement bar also. So from here you can find different types of things. So accesses here, so you can give anyone access to anyone, or you can restrict them like paid members only, or invite only, or nobody. So that's how you can simply use the Ghost website builder, or build a website using Ghost as a beginner. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.